Hello everyone, let's see how to make some beautiful sceneries. So first here we are making a house. On that we are making some windows and a door, and then we are adding chimney to it. After that we are drawing some birds and some greenery. Next we are making a house with a fan, and beside that we are making a small house, and after that when we are done we are making some clouds on the sky, and then you can add more detailing if you want. We have also added a rainbow and it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a school. First we are drawing the structure of the school. After that we are adding some windows and doors, and we are adding another building there because schools are large. And after that we are adding a flag and some clouds, and you can see it is ready. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a waterfall. You can see how we are drawing it. First we are making the structure of the ride, as you can see. Then we have added some water waves and then adding a dry leaf on there, and you can see we are adding some water effect so that it looks like real. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a waterfall. First you can see how we are starting the structure. After that we are making heavy waterfall with water waves, and then we are drawing sun on the sky, and it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a big tree, adding some flowers to it, as you can see, and then you can color it with any color you want. After you're done, you can add more details to your drawing. As we are doing, we are adding lots of flowers on it, and when it's ready, it looks so beautiful. Next we move ahead. Here we are making a waterfall. First we are drawing some trees on the background, then we are adding clouds and some more detailings in the waterfall, and you can see it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a tree, and then we are adding some apples to it. You can add any fruit you want. Here we are adding some apples, and then detail the ground with some more apples so it looks like the apples have fallen to the ground, and then add some more details, and it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are drawing two big leaves, and between them we are adding a river which is falling, and then we are adding some more leaves in the between, and beside that we are making some mountains and sun, and then you can color it with any color you want. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making two trees and then a rainbow, and beside the rainbow we have made another tree. After that you can color it with any color you want, and then you can add some more detailings like mountain, sun and others, and you can see it's done. Thanks for watching.